Worried you need to be a well known authority before anyone signs up for your list? You actually don't need to put your personal brand out there at all. One way to start growing your email list without exposing your personal brand is to create a pen name identity. Just hop into Canva, design a basic logo, pick a color scheme, and then use those on your landing page. This way, your list is tied to your faceless brand, not your personal profile or reputation. It works, but here's the tricky part. Having a logo and colors doesn't automatically get people to subscribe. You still need the right funnel structure, lead magnets, and follow up emails that keep people engaged and move them toward your offers. That's exactly what the AI Faceless List Builder was designed for. It gives you faceless funnel templates, proven email frameworks, and done for you AI prompts so you can attract subscribers without ever building a personal brand. I've linked the AI Faceless List Builder in the description so you can check it out. Along with the main system, you will also get the 7-day Faceless Funnel Activation Checklist, step by step daily actions to launch your funnel in under a week. And everything is covered by a 30-day money back guarantee. So if you've been putting off email marketing because you don't want to be the face of a brand, this is your shortcut. Right now, you can grab the AI Faceless List Builder for just $27, though the price isn't fixed and can change. The link is waiting for you in the description.